In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use layers in Canva. This is a fantastic skill for graphic design enthusiasts or anyone looking to create compelling visuals with ease. Working with layers can significantly enhance your design workflow, allowing you to have better control over the elements in your project. Let's dive right in. Start by opening up your Canva project. Locate the element you wish to work with on your design canvas. It could be text, an image, or any other graphic component you've added. To begin managing your layers, simply right-click on the element you've selected. Right-clicking is an essential step as it opens up a menu that gives you access to several options specific to the item you're working with. Once you've right-clicked, a context menu will appear. In this menu, look for the option labeled Layer. You don't need to click it just yet, instead hover your mouse over the Layer option. This hovering action will reveal additional controls associated with layers. It's a small detail that can often be missed, but it's crucial for the next steps. After hovering over the layer option, you'll see a new submenu pop up. Within this submenu, you'll find a selection called Show Layers. Click on Show Layers to display the layer panel. This panel holds the key to managing your layers effectively, as it provides an overview of all the elements currently on your canvas. It's like having a bird's eye view of your project, where you can see every layer you've added to your design. Once you've opened the Layers panel, you can freely manipulate the stacking order of the elements. To adjust a layer, simply click on it in the Layers panel, hold down the mouse button, and drag it to your desired position. This drag and drop functionality is incredibly intuitive, allowing you to layer elements above or below each other to achieve the perfect arrangement. Experiment with different positions until you're satisfied with how everything looks. By rearranging the layers, you can bring certain elements to the foreground or send others to the background, adjusting your design to your liking. Remember, however, that while moving layers around, your ultimate goal should be to enhance the overall visual harmony of your design. That's it. You've now learned how to efficiently use layers in Canva to take your design skills to the next level. Mastering layers not only provides greater flexibility, but also opens up a world of creative possibilities. Have fun experimenting with layering and let your creativity shine. If you found this tutorial helpful, continue exploring other Canva features to further expand your design proficiency. Thanks for watching and happy designing!